What is going on, guys? Today I am finally excited to be doing the install and review of the ZZPerformance LTG Silicone Intake tube paired with the K&N drop-in air filter. So we're out here driving, got the silicone intake tube installed. And I've got to say, it's actually pretty loud. The turbo spool is definitely noticeable. I'm sure that's a combination of the drop-in air filter and the tube, but the combination is really good. It's really loud. You definitely hear it. I'm not sure if it really adds much power or not. Turbo spool. Yeah, I mean, I've got to say, for under 200 bucks, I think it's definitely worth it for anybody who's considering this. It's not a ton of money, and you know, you definitely get what you want. Guys, so there you go. That is the install and review of the ZZPerformance silicone intake tube and K&N drop-in air filter for the 2016-2017 Chevy Camaro. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought. If you want me to do any other kind of mods or bolt-ons or anything like that, leave a comment below as well, and we'll see if we can't get that done. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good day.
Say that it feels right.